Hello Year 10 and welcome to Lesson 22. In today's class you will learn how to express that you are getting on a particular mode of transport or getting off a particular mode of transport. There are a couple verbs that we need to know and a couple particles. Firstly, we have the place that you are getting, for example, on at. And then you have the mode of transport that you're getting on. The place is followed by de because an action is taking place there. Whenever an action takes place at a place, you need the particle de after the place. For example here, the place is eki, at the station, de, and then what are you getting on? You're getting on a densha. So densha ni norimasu. Norimasu is to get on. Let's have a look at some examples. Actually, just before we do, so I've just expressed this here, the place and then the mode of transport ni norimasu. If you're getting off the mode of transport or getting off the vehicle, is use o orimasu. They can get quite confusing, so I always, when I was learning Japanese, I always thought, okay, o orimasu, o begins with o, orimasu begins with o, so the two o's, so to say, go together. And likewise, ni starts with n, norimasu also starts with n, so the two n's go together. Maybe that'll help you with your understanding. Let's have a look at this first sentence here.
緑駅で地下鉄に乗ります。
So at the place, this is the place, Midori Eki de. In the vehicle is the chikatetsu, subway. You're getting on it, norimasu. So with norimasu, use the particle ni. Alternatively, if you're getting off a mode of transport, you would say
神戸で船を降ります。
So we have the place, Kobe, then de, then the mode of transport, or the vehicle, and we're getting off, so with orimasu we always use o orimasu. If you're wondering grammatically why we use ni and why we use o, well, if you're going from a smaller place, to a larger place, you use o. So here you're going from the ship and you're going outside. So the ship is smaller than outside, so because we're going from a smaller place, the ship, to a larger place, which is outside, we use o. On the other hand, if you're going from a larger place to a smaller place, you use ni. That larger place is the station, the whole station. You're at the station. But you're going in or onto the subway. The subway is just like one vehicle. The station is huge, but within that station is a subway, like a train. So the station is bigger than the subway. So because you're going from the large place here to the small place, use the particle ni. At first it's a little challenging to get your head around that. So if you find that a little too difficult to understand, just think that with norimasu, use particle ni, and orimasu, use o. Okay, we'll finish that lesson there.